Welcome to our comprehensive guide on video editing and production. Today, we unveil the core concepts and techniques behind crafting captivating visual stories. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and master the basics of video editing and production. Understanding video editing and production. To truly grasp the essence of video editing and production, one must first understand their roles in the creative process. Video editing is the art of storytelling through visual sequences, while production encompasses the entire journey, from conceptualization to the final polished product. Essentials of video editing. The tools of the trade are crucial. Discover the software and platforms that empower editors to bring imagination to life. From Adobe Premiere Pro to Final Cut Pro, explore the functionalities and features that streamline the editing process. The production process. Production sets the stage for the narrative. Learn about scripting, shooting, lighting, and sound design, key elements that orchestrate the perfect visual symphony. Each aspect contributes to the creation of a compelling story. Crafting compelling visual content. Merge creativity with technical expertise. Understand the art of color grading, transitions, and special effects. Witness how minor tweaks and adjustments can transform raw footage into visually stunning masterpieces. Collaboration and feedback. Collaboration fuels innovation. Explore the importance of feedback loops and teamwork in refining and enhancing video projects. Embrace constructive criticism as a catalyst for growth and improvement. As we conclude this journey into the realm of video editing and production, remember that mastering the basics is the foundation for limitless creativity. Start your journey today and unleash your storytelling potential. Don't miss out on exclusive content. Subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and in-depth guides. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes insights. Join the community of passionate creators and embark on your video editing and production adventure.